Welcome back to another video, guys. For those that are new, I'm Brittany and I do fashion-like content, but more importantly, welcome to my channel. As you guys see in the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how I style my Air Force 1's high tops. Just to put it out there, I am not a professional, so what I style with these is just like how I like to style them. I feel like with Air Forces, there's just so many ways you can style these shoes and it look good. Either dressing it up, doing comfy cash, going streetwear, tomboyish, going a little girly, tomboyish, or just wearing it girly. There's just so many ways you can style these shoes. And a couple of fits that I'll be showing you guys is just how I like to wear my clothes. So anyways, I'm not saying that I am no professional. Just, I don't know, if you need a little inspo, this is probably the video for you guys to watch. So let's get into it. So I have about 6 outfits, and it kind of ranges from, sorry, I keep looking over here because my clothing rack is right here and I'm looking at my clothes, but it kind of like ranges from like a comfy cash to like more streetwear to like a girly, to girly. So I mean, I have like all different types of styling here just because that's how I like to dress. I feel like I'm just always trying to find new ways to dress, or just trying to find my style, if that makes sense. Like, I'm always trying to rebrand myself and just find what I like and what makes me comfortable. Just to put it out there, like, whatever you do like putting on, that is your style. I feel like there's so many times, especially with myself, is that I'll put something on and I'll look at myself in the mirror and I'll just be like, ooh, I like this, but I don't know if other people will like it. But at the end of the day, who cares? Like, if you like it, then you like it. Rock it. That is your style. So I'm slowly learning that, and this is what I have to show for it. So anyways, let's get started. This first outfit is a comfy cash. I have my Nike track pants. By no means do I like to like match brands either, even though I feel like in this video it's going to seem like that. But yeah, I will put on Adidas with Nike. I'll switch up brands. Like, it doesn't matter. Whatever goes well with what I'm wearing, I would wear. But I have a gray Nike bottoms, and they come in at the bottom. So what I like to do, I like to wear white socks with them. And I know a lot of people like to wear Nike socks with things, except I would, but I just don't own any Nike socks. I know, weird. I feel like everyone in their life has owned Nike socks, except for me. I'm working on that one. But anyways, I found a pack of like 10 from Walmart, or a pack of 6 from Walmart for like 10 bucks. So I just picked those up and they work perfectly fine. Just to put it out there. So yeah, those are my bottoms. And then I have this top from Urban Outfitters, and it is just this nice casual cropped gray t-shirt. And the thing I really like about this is that it is cropped like the perfect length for me. Usually I like those t-shirts that are not like super tight on me, but kind of like flowy at the bottom, and it's like longer than my belly button but shorter than my belt line, so it just shows that much skin. And this is honestly one of the perfect tops that I have for that. So I do love putting this on, plus the color of it is just beautiful. And then I picked this up at, I think, H&M, and it's a cropped like plaid shirt. My style right now is more obviously comfy, but more fall edition, just because I mean, we are in fall right now, so there is times where I just want to be warmer, and this is like a nice jacket to put on. I mean, This alone is a nice outfit, but if it is kind of chilly out there because I know it's fall, then I like to put on like a plaid. Plus plaid is like kind of like fall vibes anyways. So I like this outfit just because I mean, it just goes well together. Plus, I like to kind of like piece my outfits with kind of the color that my shoes will be. So as you guys can see, this has white in it. Obviously, this isn't white, but gray and white do go together. And then this light gray and white also go together, but it also has the white Nike sign. So those are just some things that I like to pair together. So the next outfit that I have is kind of more of like a girly, tomboyish, but comfy cash. Yeah, if that makes sense. But I have these black track pants that you guys have probably seen in my Walmart video in previous videos ago. For those that watch all my videos or just have seen that one, shout out to y'all. You know what I'm talking about. So I have these, and I paired it with a crop top that I think I got from H&M. This is one of my go-tos, and I feel like it's just like a staple piece to have because black tank tops, as you guys can see, literally go with absolutely anything, and you guys already know I love black. And I paired it with this, of course, plaid flannel or whatever they're called. I got this from my brother's closet. It's just like a hand-me-down, and it's a light gray with like black lines, and it kind of looks like white beige-ish lines. And again, like I said in my last outfit, like the white goes with the shoes, and then the black is just, it goes with everything. Like black without the flannel, this honestly, this would be an outfit with the Air Forces anyways, but I just like the way the flannel brought everything together. And then of course at the bottom of my pants, it's like not it doesn't have elastic, so it like goes over my shoes and it kind of like covers them, which is like one thing I'm really into right now. I don't know, I just find it like super cute. So that is what I picked for another cash outfit. So the next outfit that I did choose is more of athletic type of wear, just because I do wear athletic clothes. I'm not gonna lie, even though it may not seem like it, just because I've never shown it on my channel or my fashion part of my channel. But I have these Nike Pro leggings that, of course, like I said, I don't really brand clothes together or like labels, but like this just so happened to be Nike. I chose it just because of the white, and it's just super cute, to be completely honest. So I have my white Nike leggings with a white windbreaker. Honestly, I think I got this from Foot Locker. My brother got it for me. I'm not 100% sure because he had one and I wanted to copy him, so he got me one. Yeah, so I just paired this with the Air Forces, and again, this is like a super casual fit. Like say if it was like raining like today, you can just put on a windbreaker and Air Forces with some leggings and go about your day and do whatever errands or even go shopping if you like. Like it's like nice comfy casual look. And me, my style, I feel like I'm always trying to find looks that I look cute but I'm not trying, if that makes sense. Like that's my saying. Like I want to look cute but not like I'm trying to look cute. It just so happened I put these clothes on and I look cute type of thing. So this is definitely like something that really looks good together. And of course I have my white Walmart socks on because I just think like with high tops and like crew socks, it just looks super cute. So the next outfit that I did choose is kind of like more of like the streetwear side. So I got these army pants that I got while thrifting. Again, I have a Nike just so happened white sweater. Of course I had to pair something with the white and white, but then I put it with my dark like olive color, or yeah, olive, I guess. I don't know, whatever. My dark green bomber jacket, and I just think it's like a super cute fit. Say if you like going to like hang out with some friends, like a kickback or something, and you want to look cute, but of course not trying. This is something I would definitely wear. Of course it is super comfortable, but yeah, you still look like you put yourself together nicely, you know, like you know how to dress. So this is definitely a fit that I honestly, and it's like perfect for the fall weather, because obviously at night, like during the day you can wear a sweater, but at night you might need to wear like a light jacket, and I feel like this is like the perfect outfit for that. So the next outfit that I have is more of a girly outfit, and when I think of fall, I think of like turtlenecks and long sleeves and all that stuff, but like I don't think like of like a natural, like a normal turtleneck. Like I like those cropped turtlenecks or like cropped sweaters, like just cropped everything. I feel like that's like just my girly side coming out. So for this outfit, I have this grayish white plus black, I don't know, which is like super neutral, and it's from Garage, and it has like this little turtleneck, but it's like super flattering. This piece you can definitely like dress up, dress down, and it'll look cute regardless. So I have this top, and again it's like not higher than my belly button but not lower than my belt line, so it's like that perfect like flabby skin is showing, I feel like. So I have this, and then I paired it with my Zara jeans that I showed you guys in my jean collection. And I feel like what makes this piece go so well together is the Calvin Klein underwear. Obviously I'm not going to show you that like right now, but as you guys will see in when I'm trying it on, like it just goes well together and it brings the outfit together, just because the underwear is like white anyways, so I think it just ties it all together. And then to top it off, because you need a jacket because it is fall, I put on this white jean jacket, and it's actually from my friend Emma. She does custom like designs basically, and she painted on a design for me, so I just thought this white would look so cute with the Air Forces, just because it's white and white and it'll just go together. And this outfit is just super cute if you're just going out. It makes me want to go out and like just like sit at a bar with my friends or something, but obviously I can't do that right now, so I'm just gonna keep it in my closet. last thing I want to show you is definitely another girly piece that I put together. And the top that I have is from Zara and is actually a long sleeve, like I said, and it's cropped. Actually, this one is cropped above my belly button, which, I mean, I will wear anyways. Like, that's the reason I got it. And it's in like this beige, light beige color, and it's just super cute, and it just hugs you super nice. Like, it's like tight, but not tight. You know what I mean? Like, you could still eat in this. So I have this, and I paired it with, I think these are Zara. Yeah, these are Zara jeans, but I got them while thrifting. I found them, and I just paired it with this, and I think it's just like super cute, just because these jeans like hug my waist perfectly. So that's why I paired it with this top, just because it kind of shows it off. And like, I mean, why wouldn't you want to show your body off? But yeah, and then of course, to top it all off, just because it is fall, I paired it with a leather jacket that my mom, Chloe, I don't know, my mom got it for me like a long time ago, and I just still have it. It's in good condition, so I wear it from time to time, and I just think like leather is this super cute with basically anything, because black literally goes with anything. So this is the last outfit that I put together with my Air Forces, and I just think it was just like super cute. You could definitely go out at night in this, have fun, look cute, you know what I mean? So that's basically it for this video, and honestly, I just enjoy doing these videos just because for myself already, I just play dress up in my room all the time. Like, I'll just put on random outfits and just look at myself in the mirror while listening to some music. I feel like that's just so therapeutic to me. I don't know why, but yeah, now that I can like show you guys like what's going on in my head and like do like what I'm actually thinking, I feel like I should have friends to do it with now. I know that sounds so bad, but like, that's my life. Like, I will put on these clothes but not go anywhere. Plus, regardless, we can't go anywhere anyways. So it's like kind of like a win-win situation for me. But yeah, and like you, I guess, because you're watching this and you guys like enjoy it. But anyways, that is it for my video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, remember to like and subscribe and help me grow. But yeah, that is it for this video, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!